To get the most out of using the newest console, you must have the best Nintendo Switch accessories. The Switch is currently on pace to surpass all previous Nintendo consoles in terms of sales, ranking third all-time. You own a significant piece of gaming history whether you own the original Nintendo Switch, the Nintendo Switch Lite, or the most recent Nintendo Switch OLED model. Remember that you have a link to all the products in the description. Let's see best Nintendo Switch accessories in 2022. Brook Power Bay. Although it has more features, the Brook Power Bay is more affordable than the official Nintendo dock. A connection for up to 2 wireless speakers or headsets is made possible by Bluetooth support. Even better, there are 2 USB ports and 2 GameCube controller ports on the front. The Brook Power Bay comes in 3 different variations, each with a few minor differences. For a more dependable internet signal, the Ethernet version has, you guessed it, an Ethernet port. The least expensive version, Crimson, does not support Bluetooth headsets. And since it includes Bluetooth wireless technology and those controller connectors, the standard Power Bay is probably our favorite. Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. Consider purchasing the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller as your next Nintendo Switch accessory if you're not overly fond of the included Joy-Con controllers and prefer something a little more conventional. Despite having a grip, Joy-Con controllers lack traditional D-pads and don't appear to be as ergonomically sound as these Pro Controller upgrades. They are a good substitute for the standard Joy-Con controllers that come with a Switch because of their motion controls, HD rumble, and amiibo support. Surge Nintendo Switch Grip Kit. A grip kit Switch accessory is always an option if you'd prefer not to purchase a Pro Controller for your Nintendo Switch but still want your additional Joy-Con controllers to be more comfortable to use when detached separately. Your slim Joy-Con controllers will become slightly bulkier and more resemblant of a traditional controller shape thanks to this Surge kit, which includes 2 controller grips and 2 thumb grips. This will lessen any discomfort experienced during extended play sessions. HORI Switch LAN Adapter. On the Nintendo Switch, actual LAN parties are feasible. However, only if you purchase an Ethernet adapter as your next Switch accessory, as the default console lacks an Ethernet port by design. For a competitive gaming tournament with your friends, you can connect up to 10 docked Nintendo Switch consoles without worrying about shaky wireless connections. You don't need this if you own a Nintendo Switch OLED because the new dock already has an Ethernet port. HORI Switch Compact PlayStand. The HORI PlayStand is a Switch accessory that you should consider getting. The Switch has a flip-out leg on its back that will support it, but there isn't much room left over for a charging cable to be inserted into the USB-C port on the console's base. The HORI PlayStand, on the other hand, is designed to make this possible by raising the console off the surface you're playing on and providing adjustable angles for more comfortable gaming. Joy-Con Charging Dock. Consider purchasing a charging stand if you frequently let your Nintendo Switch's Joy-Cons run out of juice or if you prefer to keep a few sets charged at all times in case a friend drops by. It serves as both a storage space for your extra controllers when they are not in use and a guarantee that you will always have a pair that is charged and prepared. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.